These corn muffins are so delicious, easy to make, only a few ingredients. They're super healthy and you're gonna love them. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making delicious corn muffins. These muffins are easy to make, they're healthy, you're gonna love them. The ingredients in this recipe are yellow cornmeal, white whole wheat flour, flax meal, baking powder, kosher salt, unsweetened coconut milk, honey, and cooking spray. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I already did that. Next, we're going to go ahead and spray a muffin pan with cooking spray. We'll set this aside. Next, we're going to mix our dry ingredients in a large bowl. First, we have 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of lightly packed white whole wheat flour. This is a really nice flour. It makes your baked goods a little sweeter and a little lighter than regular whole wheat flour or whole wheat pastry flour. And I found this at Trader Joe's. I found it at another grocery store, but I have not found it in all the grocery stores, so you might have to look for it. So 1 cup. 2 tablespoons of flax meal. Flax meal is just ground flax seeds. I bought this in a bulk section. You can also just take regular flax seeds and grind them like in a coffee grinder, and you can grind your own. So we have 2 tablespoons. Next we have 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And you could use another salt if you don't have kosher salt. So we're going to stir the dry ingredients together, mix it really well. Okay, that's mixed pretty good. So next we're going to mix our coconut milk and honey and whisk it together. I have a 13.5 ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk. You want to make sure and to get real coconut milk and not like in a carton it's watered down a bit. You want all the healthy fat in here. It'll help your muffins be nice and tender. Here we go. Next we have 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. It's up to you. If you like it sweeter, put 4. One thing is 4 tablespoons is a 1/4 cup, and that makes it easier to measure. And when I measure honey in like a tablespoon or a measuring spoon or a cup, you can get it wet with water or you can spray it with cooking spray and it will come out a lot easier. So, and then also if I'm going to measure a lot, I just take the lid off. So we have a 1/4 cup. So we're going to whisk this together. Well, it's not coming out as easily as I expected. Okay. Use a whisk or a fork to whisk this together. You need to get all the lumps out of the coconut milk. It will help if you put your can of coconut milk in a warm place before you open it, and it will turn liquidy. If it's cold, it'll be really thick and clumpy. This mixed up really easy. So now we're going to mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So just pour that in and we can stir it. Stir it till everything's just moistened, but you don't want to overmix it. So as soon as you see all the dry ingredients are moist, no more dry ingredients, it's mixed enough. Okay, we're going to make 9 to 12 muffins. If you want bigger muffins, just fill up 9 of the muffin cups. I'm going to go ahead and make all 12. If you have extra batter, go back and fill the ones that aren't as full. You want to make them pretty even so they'll bake evenly. You want to wipe any extra messes on the top so it doesn't burn while it's cooking. So we're going to bake them about 30 minutes until they start browning. We'll go do that next. Okay, I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes and I'm going to check them and I'm going to take them out when they're golden brown. Okay, I just checked my muffins at about 27 minutes. They look perfect. They're nice and golden. We need to let them rest 5 minutes and then we'll go try them. Okay, our corn muffins have been resting about 5 minutes in the pan. We're going to take them out and put them on a wire rack to continue cooling. If you leave them in the pan, they get kind of soggy on the bottom. So you can serve them right away. You can serve them warm. They're delicious. Okay, I'm ready to try one. They're nice and golden brown. You can serve them with butter. You could serve them with vegan butter, honey, whatever you like. They're nice and soft. And like I said, if you want bigger muffins, just fill up 9 of the muffin cups. So I'm trying mine with butter. Still warm. You can let them cool a little bit more if you want. Here we go. They're so good. You're gonna love them. Really easy to make, healthy, delicious. Try them, and I'll see you in the next lesson.